I have no doubt about these artists if we decide to promote them. If them have good lyrics and good rhythm that I can produce.
What do you consider good lyrics?
Well,
about the political situation.
No, well, not generally. Me's a man who don't think in terms of politics from no level, neither the PNP or the GLP, because I figure more or less that politics play a lot of games with poor people's life. You dig? I am dealing with the music of reality, like telling you what happening around the people in the community, telling you what happened over there, why John is killing Tom, and a lot of these things is because of political thoughts within the people. From I was a kid till now, I still hear the man them sing about Island in the Sun. And it more look like all the island with a gun right now, you know, see it? And the people them still are sing that. Them not really give no privilege to them youth who can sing Jamaica and what is in Jamaicans to the people. The privilege has given to a set of one who really want to sound like all Teddy Prendergast, want to sound like all Elvis Presley and them thing there. And you have true people who create music, which I think if we publicize the music that within Jamaican, because if I go in a small island, when I go to Trinidad, I hear Calypso and Steel Pan. So I think we need to produce and promote more of our own production, you know.
How do you feel about the song Tribulation that you sing?
Well, I seen tribulation in a lot of people's mind, you know. So it's I who just give the message to bring it out onto the people. You know, my people around me and even to the foreigners of the earth, you know. Because Jah really send a messenger each time to speak to his people.
But the politicians in Jamaica use reggae music.
They have to use the music because God said music alone shall live. Politics is a folly. The music controls the mind of the people. So at all time, whenever time the strong get weak, because right now them say only the strong survive, but why see, right now on earth, not just Jamaica. Even the strong get weak at time. And when the strong get weak, him turn to the weak for assistance. You know, see it? So the music where the people sing, it elevates the people more than what the politician tell them because it's pure friction. The politician and the preacher tell black people. And the people get so sick of that with the music, them will swing and rock and do it, but all listen what the brother say and just get into our music. For instance, an individual politician might use an individual recording, which is a hit song in the people's mind. So the people sing along to that. So immediately it's like them get indoctrinated because the music lead people, you know. Even the sound system where we do it at some time, you'd surprised to see how much 100 people just come out and can pay for coming out and dance, but them don't leave till daylight because it's the only comfort, it's the only meditation within the mind because them have so much problem that is the music take for the problem for a little while, you know, see it. Marley sing some tune for using at the election there, for fight the ism where I go on because the youth them get crazy. A man just fire him gun for him brother for nothing. The political people give them the gun to get power by scaring certain people or to destroy certain communities. That is how it works from either sides, right? Each gunman will defeat the other side of people. That is always a tug of war with the people. But then when it reaches a time that election is done or election, enough money in functioning, the same youth who get the gun to fire for election, go fire it for a man and take what